The hog meta.
The hog is weta.
Hog is what a hog is better. He be making hog cheddar. Hold on. Funny hog. I'm about to fart out a brown log. What? His picture's Lego Widowmaker. What? Wait, look at that. His picture's Lego Widowmaker.
Yo, what?
I just might as well do
We got the Ryan again.
I just might as well do the thing, I guess, at this point.
Death.
Is there... Okay. I was gonna say, is there any way that someone plays healer? Oh my god. Dude, we are fucking not playing tanks well.
He was not doing that bad as Ryan last game.
Hey, teammate. Hey, you're actually bad.
Oh my god, my name's Ryan. Shut the fuck up.
Yo, shut the fuck
Hog
up,
dead.
please.
Your mom sucks gobblecock. Actually, it's just normal
And
cock.
also, my name ain't Ryan. It's actually Tristan.
I know a retard named Tristan.
Every retard's have named than Tristan. They just dumb us up for some reason.
Alright, we defended that somehow. This is a dub, Ryan. You have to carry, I think. Okay, bye, Roadhog. What the fuck? I don't think he's in the voice chat. He might be.
I love you. But like, please.
Hey, where are my heals?
They're
hello?
dead because you're
Do
shit.
I have to call them or something? Are they late or?
Oh my god.
Are you like ironically being
Listen here, pal. I come
Dude, he's
from
putting on
a
a voice.
champion gaming club, so if you mess with me,
Dude,
I
it's
will
like
fuck you up.
Dude,
You said it like fucking Squidward.
Yeah, make fun of my life. Your mom liked it though.
She probably did because she fucks with SpongeBob.
Yeah, I mean,
You played the clarinet?
with all my holes.
With all your holes? Wait, pause. Dude, you talking about I'm not thinking about what I'm saying. You dumbass bitch just said you fucked her with your holes. That's weird as shit.
Dude, what are you talking about, pal?
What you just said, you goofy fuck.
Yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Did Def Mime say the N-word?
I don't think so. He said I'm
It's-
a retard.
Okay, retard, then shut up, Lamau. Retard is banned?
Yeah, it's a slur, Billy.
But I can say fuck and it doesn't blur.
That fuck isn't a slur.
That's fucking retarded.
I hate you all.
Would you rather me
little boy.
say he was not new?
I'd
New.
rather you say I don't play DPS at all.
You should have just said you gave your little brother the controller.
That is a classic.
He was lagging and shitting the whole time.
He had a blindfold on.
Yeah, his
His
balls
controller
prolapsed.
wasn't even plugged in.
You just walked around them and killed all of them.
That was awesome. They were
That
all
was-
in that one room I grabbed. I only got two because I guess you guys weren't close enough.
Lewis.
What the
Lewis.
fuck, Lewis?
Oh,
You know they removed the car damage?
Really?
Capper.
Why don't you check it for me?
Okay.
I had S on my keyboard. My mom is a schmorb.
Where are my manners? Hi there. Chico, did you mute your mic on accident? Like, you're usually not quiet for this song.
Chico's troop got flanked by a Japanese settlement.
What?
And they killed Chico and he's playing Overwatch instead. So what? I don't know.
What the fuck?
I don't know. Okay.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
You think he was about to fall? I thought he was about to fall.
Chico, get on point.
That would have been pretty funny.
Come on, dude.
Careful, bro. Hit him with some fire wheels.
Fire wheel.
That was
Fire
dog shit.
wheel.
Wow. That was awesome. Charge him right now.
Yeah, through the
Fire
hole.
wheel.
Oh, that actually worked. He finally did it.
You did it. Let's go!
Popping
Finally, dude. Let's go.
off for 625 HP tank versus a healer.
Dude, it took way too long. I was stressing.
Let's fucking go!
Let's go!
That's what you did. Your fucking reenactment of it was quieter than the whole thing.
That's actually true. What the fuck?
Diva 1v1.
Yeah, come to point, Chico.
Ooh. Nice shield. Nice. You're doing great. And
It's just like 2 fighter jets, just like.
you should have ulted.
This is the real 1v1.
Oh! Damn!
That was
Damn!
1v1, bro. Wait, no, our cheeks left.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck off.
I wonder
what
this is.
happens.
Bye-bye, Billy. You're bad. Whee!
He shot a spear, bro.
Fuck you. Wow!
That was sick, bro.
Ape mode.
Counterplay tank, I'll play here.
I don't want to be too loud.
Yeah, he's already full.
Chico, heal yourself.
Chico, lick my nuts. Chico.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Damn, I'm gonna die.
Yes. Bitch.
Fly.
Dude, why'd your body do tricky shoto?
Dude, you fucking win flying.
Chico! Chico!
He's fucking you! Back here.
Chico, you just healed your auntie!
Uh-oh.
He doesn't know.
Bro, come
That was
on.
rude, Connor. That was rude as hell. What you just did was rude as hell.
What did I do? It's not like Chico could say anything about it.
It's so rude.
Yeah.
No, Chico.
You're such a dick.
No, wait, where'd he go? Chico, I'm just kidding.
Bro.
I'm just joking.
Ooh,
I'm just kidding.
Damn! Lewis just hit a standing still target 2 times in a row.
I didn't
still
move
lost.
my mouse. Oh god, bro.
You're so big!
That just got you from like Uganda.
Why does my fuck look like that?
Gay as fuck. Now I'm Mercy. You should just let me kill you and see how big Mercy would be so we can look up her skirt.
We've done that before. With Tracer. It was good.
Dude, your fucking
What the
voice
fuck?
sounds
In
crazy.
the sky, dude. He fucking jumped down. That was awesome.
Ouch, bro.
Get the fuck out of here.
What the fuck?
that's not
Oh
good.
my
That's
god, he
not
did
good.
jump down.
Who got control of this? Goddamn. No, seriously, who's controlling this shit? I'm about to
Lewis
fucking
does, man. I
murder
told
them.
him to kill Lewis so many times. He didn't listen.
Okay.
Oh, don't do it. No.
Oh, no. You don't get to do that. You didn't earn it. I wonder if it levels you up like a full level.
Yo! I can't. I'm looking at my feet now because I leveled up and I grew a lot. Hi, little bitch. You little bitch, you know that?
You shouldn't be rude to our little friends.
You.
Yo, I want to see how
Just
AIDS Winston
you're
is. Okay.
What did you even say, Billy?
I want to see. I wanted to try Winston as a big level.
You chose this. You chose this by shooting me.
Farewell. That was scary.
I'm getting really big for you, buddy. Billy.
Okay. God, you're hot. Oh! Oh my God, that was insane.
Boy.
Logan, just stay right there.
Just someone get widowed, dude.
You see
There's
that
better
shit?
skins though. Nah, man.
Whoops.
Maze mid is
The
fuck.
fuck? Look at how
Get
big
widow.
this bomb is.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. There's better skins though.
Me both walled. Stop it.
Put up your.
Good night, mate.
Uh oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is happening? Holy shit.
You can shoot him. Oh my god.
Logan, I don't want to hear this, man.
Hold on, I'm trying to find my
Alright, Billy, look quick.
Oh shit. Level 8.
You didn't see.
I didn't see.
Oh,
Stay.
I want Billy. Imagine like a really tiny guy.
God, you are so massive.
Hey, my head
Can you
kind
share
of
your
hurts,
screen
guys.
so I can
I'm
see?
probably gonna head off.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
I want to see if it
tomorrow.
works on her.
See you guys.
Alright,
I
bro.
want to feel that
See you
See you,
satisfaction.
bro.
Feel that
share your, like,
satisfaction
screen.
of a nice cold Budweiser beer.
Nice cold Budweiser beer, straight down your fucking throat.
Straight down your fucking gullet. You fucking beer-loving fuck. I bet you have a big-ass belly on your ankles because you love beer. All my fat gathers on my ankles.
Let me look.
0.
Probably not
Dude,
much.
I'm looking at an Asian woman
12k.
with an absolutely
12K?
fat
Yeah.
butt.
Big. I have like 10.
An
What cheeks?
absolutely retarded shaped
What?
butt.
Come on. Okay.
Can you share?
It's an iFunny link.
You're a fucking
Send it, bro. Take a screenshot and send it. Easy as that.
Easy as fucking
Please?
butt shakes.
Please.
Yeah, you fucking forcing.
I'm trying to fucking-
What if Katie logs onto your Discord and sees this?
She's already in the server. She's seen enough.
I was
She's
gonna
seen it
say she's
all.
probably scarred already. It's not good.
No, she's fine. My poor innocent girlfriend who pegs me will.
Oops.
That's that. Why?
There like 3 of
Only-
us were, bro.
If only we didn't have 3 tanks.
3 tanks is OP, bro.
If only I were
It
there.
does not seem like it.
That's true.
It's cause I'm playing Junker Queen. She's just
Wait,
really
What
bad.
do we don't need. John, play DPS. Play Reaper.
You don't need a 3rd healer. Hold on, I'm gonna yell at this guy. We don't need a 3rd healer!
We
You
need
know, since you're
DPS.
being so nice about it, I'll let it slide.
It's not like a mentally insane person. No, he's not.
You
'cause
love,
he doesn't want to
you
come
love
play.
Overwatch. Play Overwatch with us. You're literally watching the game.
Yeah, why
I was
must you do
watching
this?
while I was
No excuses.
waiting to queue into my.
I'm literally fucking looking at you in Discord. You still have your webcam on.
Oh, you're stupid.
Are you... Why?
Don't
You
play
know
with
where
us
the game
all
is at.
fucking day.
I was working.
Fuck that guy, dude. No sir.
He said I was working. Bitch, you were working on falling asleep.
That was quite rude.
Welcome back.
Yeah, you know what's more rude? Not playing games with your friends. I'm one to talk, so never mind.
Yeah, you know what, Billy? You can actually die and suck a orc dick. Wow, and you're the one who DC'd me. Wow.
Hate everyone in this fucking server.
Yes. Wanna just fuck him and play Red Dead?
I deleted Red Dead.
You did?
So
It's
I
a
needed
humongous download.
I needed to download some other shit. I'd be down to re-download it though.
I would still be down to play it.
We'll play some Red Dead. As long as you stop.
Genji ball.
Oh, it tells the
good.
ball speed.
This one's good.
Who the fuck is in a snowstorm?
Chico.
It's
This
a
is fun.
tropical storm, actually.
My fan.
Did they make it so you can click the buttons to do it in that
Yes.
one? Okay.
It's actually a Japanese.
Turn it off!
No, it's hot as shit in here.
Mute!
No, because then I'll get kicked from the channel.
If you go to settings, you can in your mic options, you can change it.
I don't know if that'll work
You
while
don't
I'm
have
on.
to, but
I don't know if that'll work while I'm on Overwatch.
Well,
if you put it on a different key, you know.
I don't know what keys are open. That's the issue.
Oh, that's right.
Like,
It's
even my
okay.
number pad keys are taken up for my fucking
Use
wow, gameplay.
U is not for anything.
That's for my user interface actually.
Why are
is
you so
pretty
weird,
though.
man?
What?
What?
U for user interface.
You for ugly bitch.
Oh.
No, they hooked me and then they waited. Oh, L
Oh,
hog.
really?
Okay, we'll see about an L.
Contest. Contest. Press button.
I'm sending a horb to site.
Not helping. It's not helping.
What the fuck?
What the freak?
You just stood in the hands though. Oh.
Dude, I was walking out of it!
Echo's sitting on the very top.
I literally have my ult, that's so fucking sad.
I almost have my own. I'm coming, guys.
Get there! Get there, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there!
No, they swept me.
But
I reset it. Run.
Man, you're screaming so fucking much, bro.
Run! Get it, Reaper! Yeah, Reaper!
No! Damn!
I have my all. I have my all. I have my all. Hold it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm here. I'm here.
Handle it.
Let's fucking
Yes!
go!
Oh,
Nice.
Dude, I'm getting these May right clicks down.
Hold up here. Hold up here.
Hell me.
I have my music like low, like very fucking quiet, and it's very distracting.
Well, chivalry isn't like a.
That's what they were saying, is you guys were just
Super.
playing to like hang out, and I kicked you, and I felt, I'm sorry, I apologize.
Apology accepted.
Thank you.
Lewis just ain't ever coming back. Lewis don't
Lewis
accept
is,
the apology, apparently.
Lewis is a stupid bitch with like fucking massive labia.
Call Lewis.
Is Lewis even in this lobby, bro?
5 hours worth of searching on YouTube. I finally figured out where to find the audit chat at.
You could have just looked up Discord.
Yeah, who
ban
kicked Lewis
thing.
twice, he said? What the fuck?
I checked the logs. I know it was Chico.
Who's
Nice
on
job,
the phone
Chico,
with
you
them?
fucking
Lewis is simply lying. Don't
Alright.
believe him.
I'll bully Kyle for you. Come back.
Nope, I can't come back now. I'm stuck. I'm stuck out of the way.
Wow. Wow. I'm pretty sure I just heard him kick me, so. Great.
He kicks you too.
Yeah, I think so. Fuck.
Bro, Kirk needs to get out and change the perps, bro. Give me perps and nobody else.
Why you? No, fuck no.
No, that's how it works. If I have perms, then it'll be handled responsibly.
Yeah, my fucking balls that we handled responsibly, bro.
Is Billy not gonna come? Oh.
Yeah, fuck you, Chico!
You're gonna bully me?
Ash low as fuck.
Lois.
Lois.
I need help, bro.
Ash
Yo, who
Lowes.
chose this laggy ass server, bro?
You fucking sack of shit.
Man, that was
Man,
quick.
that didn't feel like a real game.
Yeah, I didn't even die.
Why you bullied
Eric,
him?
so rude.
Why you bullied him?
That mean?
Just kidding. Your mom's easy.
My mom is a man.
I know I hit. Man. Chico always that type of dude.
His mom looks like Torb. No way. Eric, bro.
Ready for work.
Start downloading Redhead Dead.
Bro, I
Red
got
Dead
slept
Dead.
as I hooked
No.
him, bro.
But I will start downloading Spelunky.
I meant to play that today. Well, my day isn't over yet, so I'll have a chance to play it.
Literally.
Yeah, you still got another
12 hours to go! And then I get to go to class!
so you got another like 16 hours to
Yeah!
go. You can
Man.
fill up another 16 hours of time just to go work out for the whole time.
Dude, fucking busted character, dude.
You counter
Hey,
her.
Oh,
Not
right
like
behind
that,
us,
bro.
right behind us.
Where
Keep
the
her on
fuck is.
cart.
Bro,
I countered if I fucking headshot her twice in a row, I guess.
How did
yeah.
you headshot him, Eric? You shot him in like the ball sack.
You also
I'm the greatest. Yeah, I don't know what I'm coughing up. It's kind of weird.
Come.
come! You should get some tea, bro. Tea might help you.
sorry.
Crown roll. Bread roll. Crown roll. So, no, I'm saying it different. I am, I swear. Crown royal and bread roll.
What do you think of this dog?
What is it doing?
Be very polite.
Fucking what? Ugly as shit, and he looks like he ate someone.
What do you think of his egg shape?
Disgusting. Fucking vile creature.
It looks like he ate Roadhog. It's like Mythbusters.
Y'all ever. Never mind.
You gotta say it now.
Nope.
Pussy.
Speak up. Chico, could you do something about your fan? You know I'm autistic, dude.
Somebody's autistic.
So what?
So am I, your point?
You're not. I'm also not, but I'm coping.
I have ADHD. Same shit.
So does Billy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you guys are
So
both
does-
like autism, ADHD.
Yeah, I'm diagnosed with ADHD.
No. My little brother has autism. Don't compare me to that retard.
No, he's an
You are a
autist.
retard.
You know what? Fuck you.
Fuck you, bro. Come on.
I don't know. I like.
Means he has cum on his mouth. What
I
else
like,
does it mean?
I like rub my nose with my finger and then I
So
put
you
it
don't-
on my mouse and there's like
You
a
got
booger.
boogers, man.
This is just a
Yeah.
bug,
Billy-
dude. What's up?
Billy, so you're telling me you don't have cum on your mouth all the time?
My mouth?
Come on your mouth? What?
Yeah, you're in the wrong then.
We
Alright.
do it different in the
Hey,
Marines,
man.
brother.
So. I got at least 7 different flavors of cum in my mouth at any given moment.
Yeah, what do you think my
What the-
glazed donut is made out of?
I got 7 confirmed comes.
Yo!
Ryan's stupid.
Shit, all the way
bro.
back to the start, man.
Ryan is stupid.
I can't see you, man. Billy Piggy.
For the
It's just
most
weird.
part.
I wonder when this was.
It was during the damage boost.
It wasn't.
Ah, yes. You were saying?
You got all of those kills.
You got one. You got one. How did I not get the environmental kill on there?
You
You
suck.
suck.
Bro.
Trash. The pro noob adult swim.
Yeah.
That's what that means.
Season's greetings. Shut up, Tracer. I hate Tracer more than anything, but I would give my firstborn 3 times over to have her sit on my face.
3
not allowed to say
times
that.
over.
Dude, what if I come in her and then she rewinds so it's not in her anymore?
Yo!
Free birth control. She makes me bust and then rewinds and then makes me bust again.
Nah.
Oh, that would be insane.
Unlimited. Dude, that's the unlimited bust cycle.
Bro, imagine what it feels like going back in.
Huh?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Imagine what it feels like
Which part?
when you don't have to
Oh, it
fuck
comes
it
back in?
after
Oh, I
you
see.
come.
Well, it would probably just feel like sounding.
What?
When the cum goes back in.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, okay.
That's Lewis when that happens.
She doesn't rewind your time, she just rewinds
Yeah.
her time.
Yeah. The
Sadly,
cum wouldn't
So
go
the cum
back
would
into
just,
your
like-
dick.
It'd be in the air.
they just exist there.
No, they just stop existing.
No,
So, yeah.
that doesn't make any sense.
Well, the
Billy,
okay,
are you retarded?
So Hanzo shoots an arrow through her fucking hip, okay, and she's at 25 health, and then she rewinds, right? The arrow will disappear. But where does the arrow go, right? That's what I'm saying.
No, why would it disappear?
Well, where does it go then?
In real life, it just stays where it is.
Yeah, it just like would fall in midair.
Oh, I
What is it
understand.
off, dude?
So if she rewinds, then the cum would just
Yeah,
fall.
yeah.
Okay.
It's
I
the
Unless
same
the
thing as
assumption is that things that are touching her go with her.
no, because if you stick a tracer with a pulse bomb and she recalls, she doesn't recall with the bomb, she just recalls. The bomb sticks on the ground where she
Dom's
recalled.
got the lore.
Bomb's
No,
got
that's
the
just what
lore.
happens.
Dom's got the lore. The Tracer v Tracer.
You have a fucking widow? What the fuck?
They have a widow?
We do.
I'm watching Billy
What
fight
the
this fucking
heck?
Arisa behind the wall, man. What are you gonna do, Arisa? What are you gonna do? Maybe if she span a little faster, she'd have maybe she'd make a
You got it.
Crazy.
You got it.
she'd make a wind so strong that it would blow the snow away.
With her fart.
If I didn't play the game, I'm gonna kill myself.
You didn't.
Fuck! Just
See
open.
this? You see this thing? You looking at this, Billy?
Dude, it's the funny cat.
You like my keyboard?
Aww. She's so cute.
Wow.
Wait. Press the enter key. Yeah, I think it goes. No. Like you gotta turn your hand sideways.
No, that's
no,
the
no.
enter. That's the USB port,
Yeah.
Kyle.
You gotta go. You gotta go like this, and then yeah, you go on the USB port.
No, it's wireless.
No, it's not.
Look, it's working
Trust
right
me.
now.
I had a model just like that one, and then
Shut the fire on model just like that one.
hey, let your thing and my thing have a stare off.
I think that yours will win for some reason.
Nah.
Look at that, dude.
Here, show me the cat's third eye in the back.
Shut the hell up.
No, in the back.
I love that to the camera. She's just a fucking black blob that you guys can barely see. Sometimes.
Yeah, I cannot tell what the fuck is happening.
Oh, she's black? Oh, I'm sorry.
Just 2 big green eyeballs.